Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the devices. Enable Personal Hotspot on your iPhone and confirm cellular data is active. This provides the internet channel. Connect the phone to your computer with the correct cable or adapter, and make sure the computer's Wi-Fi is turned off so it uses tethered connection instead. Once connected, trust the device prompts on the iPhone and accept any authorization. This initial link establishes the data path you'll route as an Ethernet-style connection. Once done connecting, open your computer's network settings and select the iPhone USB interface. It appears like an Ethernet adapter. Make sure the interface is set to obtain an IP address via DHCP so the iPhone can assign the correct gateway and DNS. If you need a static IP for a specific service, set one within the phone subnet and point DNS to a public resolver. Also, disable other active network adapters to prevent split routing and ensure traffic flows through the tether. You're ready to finish. Test browsing and run a quick speed check to verify your computer's traffic goes through the iPhone. If pages don't load, make sure Personal Hotspot is still active. Toggle it off and on, unplug and replug the cable, then disable and re-enable the USB network adapter. If problems persist, restart both devices. As a key troubleshooting tip, confirm your carrier allows tethering and temporarily turn off VPNs or firewall rules that might block the shared connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.